Hi, I'm Brianna.
And hi, I'm Annie, and we're showing you the Monsterhigh Monster High Fearleading Squad. So, yeah.
Okay, so first, I'm going to show you.
If you couldn't read it, it said Monster High, of course.
So first is Jackie Laura. She is in a T position. Next is Cleo Denial. She is in a V, high V. And then Gwilly Yelps is in a low V. Next is, I'm going to show them Headmistress Bloodgood.
Right.
Here's Headmistress Bloodgood. Here's her head. Okay, then here is her body. And then here, stop. And then there is her horse. Next is the next.
I will show you.
Well, we don't really know their names, but we do, but we don't know who's who. So that one might be Persity or Persephone.
So she is in a low V.
Yes.
And she has some dark hair with a little bit of strip. And she is in the strips. Next comes
Toralei,
one of my favorites. She has the short hair, and
she's in a high V.
She's in a high V. Next is
Meowlity
with the same thing, but without the black hair.
And she's in a T. And here's the little
low horn.
Where is it?
The cheering thing. So, there also is one more thing we need to show you. It's the little cheer they came up with. Yeah, I just did. Alright. MOSTERIGH Monster High. Yeah.
So that was our Monster High Fearleading update.
Join us for the next episode.
Yep. Which is
and here are the magical shoes.
So yeah, hope you like it. Comment below. Bye.
And subscribe and thumbs up.